Good time to all the research group of members. I am Atmaram. My research advisor is Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, Professor SIT, JNTU, Hyderabad. The title for this paper is that a case study of multiple cyber crimes against the Union of Government. Let us disclose the abstract. In our early work, we described a case of culprit website, which is involved in the three crimes. Number one, sedition. Number two, State Emblem of India, provision of Improper Use Act 2005 violation, and the last one, cheating the nation crime. We present how they served as cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. Noticeably, national disorientation threat is clearly identified if proper cyber ethics are not induced into youth. In this paper, the confessional Panchanama statement and evidential proceedings of the case in the examination of court of law are presented so as to serve to generate national awareness, consciousness, and remedies on better front against the cyber crimes. Case under the study. In earlier work, we presented the end result of cyber forensics, web archiving, and web crawl tool named Wayback Mission in recording and investigating a case study of multiple cyber crimes. It is surprising that the culprit website of organization JNTUH got 2000 registrations online from seemingly educated elite. This shows that even the educated elite are much incurred to violations of law of land and make up abuse of nation lacking senses of national consciousness, national amity, and solidarity. In the charge sheet, there are two accused persons A1 and A2. In it, it was mentioned that separate charge sheet would be filed in regard of A2 who were mentioned as absconding. A1 was arrested and was tried. A1 was examined and denied the circumstances of evidence and pleaded not guilty. The charge sheet mentioned legal witness LW1, LW2, LW3, and LW5 were tried as punch witness PW1, PW2, PW3, and PW4. The chief examination with respect to PW1 relievingly noted the sedition law violation as another crime in the case. The chief examination with respect to PW1 revealing noted the sedition law violation as another crime in the case. Examination of PW1 is snapshot 1 and 2 figures and figure 1.1 and 1.2. Witnesses PW1 chief examination and cross-examination information is mentioned here. So this was taken 3rd of September 2015. Witness PW1 chief examination and cross-examination page 2. And these evidences are justify what was happened and certification of or an evidence for those things are concerned. The confessional Panchanama bears the signature of PW2 and PW3. The confessional Panchanama is captured in the snapshots 3, 4, and 5 in figures of 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. It mentions that Evan and his friend together made the website, that it was registered in the name of A2. The figure 2.1 intimates confessional statement page number 1. The details of Panchanama also mentioned here. And second page also confessional statement page 2. And page 3 is also relevant to that and it gives a full detail along with the the concerned authorities' credentials also mentioned. The trial details of PW2 and PW3 are in figure 3 and 4 given below. PW2 as well as PW3 defied the police and refuted to have been witnessed the confessional Panchanama mentioned that the police obtained their signatures on white paper. The witness PW2 chief examination and cross examinations also conducted. The figure 4 indicates